So, we're having a little bit of a storm this morning. So I think that I will make my breakfast here instead of riding a motorbike through this.
So we just wrapped up training. I have to. I'm fighting Wednesday, day after tomorrow. They were telling me initially Friday the 9th, but doesn't matter. It's just 2 days earlier. No big deal. Should be a good fight. Should be a good time. So my buddy Kieran here has never had ranch. Tell him what you eat your French fries with.
Mayonnaise, man. Everything.
French fries and mayonnaise. Yeah, Karen, if you see this, we're no longer friends.